Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change between the dark and light themes on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button, and you want to select Settings. On the left side, you want to select Personalization. So underneath select a theme to apply, you can see the light theme is the first option here, the dark theme is the second, and you have other iterations of these themes as well. We're going to go ahead and select the dark theme, which is the second option there. And there you go. And if you want to make it the light theme, you would select this other option here. So you can see here it says the light theme. So whatever theme you're currently using is the first one in the list. So pretty straightforward process there, guys, on how to do it. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.